Good morning, all. It's Wonderful Wednesday, so check out what the wonder is for today and be ready to share at 8:30. At 9:15, the following people will log into Ms. Gaudiano's meeting in Teams to complete their reading map test. That will be Francis, Sophia, Luciana, and Daniela. You will be meeting with Ms. Gaudiano at 9:15. Anastasia will meet with Ms. Gaudiano at 11:30 to complete hers. We will be reading chapters 4 and 5 of Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing, and then break into rooms to complete the work for both chapters. I will assign both chapter stories in Seesaw to reread the story for any part that may have been missed due to the completion of the reading map test. The following people will meet me for Wrap Up Wednesday at 11:45. Those 10 people are David, Sophia, Daniela, Anastasia, Maripaz, Adriana, Rafaela, Francis, Luciana, and Olivia. Let's make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.